Hey y'all, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. And as you can already tell by the title, this is my 2-year lock update. 2 years. We've made it, so far. My hair, see, is almost down to my butt. Get into it. But no, seriously, so much has happened in these past 2 years. I have like some product updates, some style updates, some things that I've learned, just to catch you up on basically the last 2 years. Well, if you've been on the journey, just I guess going back and re-explaining some things and just giving you an update, obviously what this video is about. But before I get into that, I just wanted to, shamelessly promote my hair business, Serenity Crowns. If you noticed, I'm not that consistent with my YouTube, but this time it was actually a legitimate reason. I'm trying to grow my hair business, so I've been in the shop, just doing hair. And these are my business cards. And then this is, made by me. Y'all didn't know I'm also like a graphic designer type of girl. But yeah, I'm still in the process of growing my business, growing my clientele, still trying to get my name out there. But honestly, in my opinion, I feel like the skills and the quality and the work ethic is there. I really think I'm that girl. I think I'm doing the damn thing, like my work speaks for itself. I just really need to get myself out there more so that other people can see what I already see. So yeah, there's that. Now let's get into the actual video and what we're talking about. So as you guys know, this is the 2-year lock update. The official 2-year mark would have been June 6th. It's a little bit past that because my mind just wasn't here, and this video was actually suggested by one of my subscribers. I'm like, oh yeah, duh. But it's like sometimes you just need people to ask for it to know that they actually oh, you want to see this? I got you. Just a little push. But anyway, let's take a little trip down memory lane. This is the first day that I had my locks. I did 2 strand twists. I wanted them to be really small and not too much neat parting or anything, just whatever. Then this is my 1-year lock mark. That's what they're looking like. Okay, get into it. And then this is today. Since my last video, if you didn't check it out, is me dyeing my locks ginger again. That was for my birthday. The color did kind of fade. It's not as red as it was before, but that's fine. And I feel like it's actually touching my neck now. But so I'm just gonna give you a quick update on what I'm actually been using in my hair. Sorry, the window's open because I just need some air, so sorry if there's noise or anything in the background. But so what I've been using in my hair is very much light products. I don't want to do anything too heavy. So when I wash my hair, I started using this shampoo. It's the Shea Moisture shampoo, and I also use this conditioner. I know that for locks they say you're not really supposed to use conditioner, or you should dilute it a little bit. I just haven't been doing that. I don't know why, but I guess the tip is to actually dilute it. And then after that, I go through on my scalp, because I do notice that my scalp can get really dry and itchy. I use this Sulfur 8, and it literally feels like your scalp just chewed some gum, that fresh feeling. That's what it feels like. And then this is a this retwist isn't too old, but I did just do water and oil to do my retwist. The only reason I did that this time was because I left my gel at the shop. But you know, it just gives you, the retwist isn't as like clean and as fresh and sharp as it is with gel, but it just gives you a little bit more definition than if you just wash it and then just don't do anything with it. So what I do every day, I mist my hair, and I've actually run out of mist, so we're gonna fill it up on camera. So I use this rose water. I got it from the hair store. It was like $8, and then I have this aloe vera, 100% aloe vera juice. I got this from Walmart. And then you're supposed to use purified water. I have this bottle of spring water, and then I just mix it all in this bottle because it's already a spray bottle. And then I've been misting my hair every morning, just, you know, and it smells good. The rose water really just makes you just smell good, and it's a very light smell. Is like not too heavy or anything, and this is just to give you daily moisture in your hair. I don't really put too much oil in my hair because I noticed that when I do, it kind of weighs my hair down, makes it feel heavy, and I just feel like it's just I feel like, in a sense, getting clogged. Like my pores and my hair is just clogged and heavy. So oiling my scalp is not something I need to do all the time, so I just mist my hair with this. And I try to really focus on the back because my hair is dyed. Not only is it dyed, it's also bleached. I bleached it, then dyed it. And it was a very, very scary experience, and I wanted to get my desired look. In order to do that, I had to bleach it. So especially if your hair is bleached or anything, you really want to make sure that you moisturize it. And so I just take it and just spray my hair. And then as an added measure, I kind of just squeeze my locks to make sure it gets in there. And then I've gotten more into wearing my locks out. Throughout my whole life, I just love pulling my hair up, pulling it tight in a bun, and just like not having it like, I guess, just laying flat down. I feel like it kind of gave me like, I just feel like those styles complemented my face very well. But the longer that I've had locks, I'm realizing that doing too many tight styles can really thin out your locks and like make them brittle. And why would you do all that work just to mess it up, to tie your hair up all the time? So I'm trying to embrace wearing my hair down more, because I did actually notice that some of them are thinning a little bit. That is also due to retwisting it too much. I've gotten in a habit of retwisting my hair once a month, but sometimes, you know, the perimeter can get a little bit more frizzy than the rest, so I would like twist those like every week or so. And like, I just realized I need to chill. I need to chill a little bit before my hair falls out. Yeah, so I'm trying to not manipulate my hair too much and kind of just let it do what it do. But on the other hand, I am a hairstylist and I'm trying to promote that I do hair, so I kind of feel like I have to do my hair. But you know, I'm just kind of in that in between. Another thing about my locks is that I'm kind of over the exaggerated edges right now. Like, they're still pretty exaggerated. I have a lot of edges out, so every time I do a retwist, I try to like brush some of them back in, but of course they're just gonna keep coming out. So that's something that I realized along this journey, is that I still want my edges out, but like not to like a crazy extent, just a little swoop de whoop, you know, just a little something. In the beginning I was relaxing my edges from time to time, but then all of a sudden I saw that there's like lawsuits and all this stuff going out about relaxers basically causing cancer. But at this point, what doesn't cause cancer? So I kind of took a pause on that. I've only relaxed my hair, my edges, probably like 4 times. So now I've just been, oh hell no. I'm sorry if y'all hear that noise. There's just a bunch of stuff going on in the backyard. Oh my god. It's like right outside my window. Okay, so he's done weed whacking for a minute, so I'm trying to hurry up and jump back into the video before that starts again. So I think what I was saying was that instead of doing relaxer, I've just been like using my straightener and like curling my edges and then swooping them, just because this hair texture that I have, especially now that it's getting warmer, my edges do not stay laid. That was the reason why I started doing relaxers in the first place. It just doesn't stay laid, especially with how much edges I have out. It looks crazy if they're not like laid down. But I also will say that a lot of the times I've actually gone outside without doing my edges. I kind of just let it do what it do. It's just something about having lashes makes you just not care about certain things. But that's more so like if I'm just running to the store real quick, or if I have a client and I'm just going to do their hair. But like if I'm stepping out, yeah, I'm doing the edges. But you know, on a day-to-day basis, it's really not too serious. Another thing is, in a lot of my videos I've been talking, well, I don't know if I actually really talked about it, but I did have an issue with the perimeter of my locks, like not fully locking, like from like here to here. It would still just be regular hair, like it wouldn't be locked no matter how many times I retwisted it and all that other stuff. And it's really the perimeter, and so it had me thinking that it must be because I'm always tying my hair up in ponytails and half up half down type of styles. So I did try 2 different methods to try to, you know, get a handle on that, because I have locks. I want my hair to, you know, all be locked. So I did try the crochet needle. I don't know if I still have it here with me, or if, I think it might be at the shop, but it's a little crochet hook for your locks. People can use it for lock repair, for instant locks, or what I'm doing is to like make your hair lock. So I would take it and I would crochet it a little bit. That did work, but after I washed my hair, it kind of just went back to normal. So I feel like for a minute you might have to consistently do it, or maybe I just didn't do it right the first time. So then the other method I tried was interlocking, and there's a lot of different sides to interlocking. People are against it, people are with it. I was like, listen, I'm only doing it one time. I just want my locks to lock. So interlocking is basically when you take a different type of crochet needle with like an actual hook, and you just lock your lock into itself, and like well, yeah, you can lock it this way, lock it that way, lock. I can't really explain it, but that's what I did for the perimeter of my hair, and it actually really helped, because like it's locked all the way down to there. It's not something I would do again. I just needed to solve that issue at that time. So for now on, I'm just going to continue just regular retwisting my hair. And so when retwisting my hair, I've been alternating between gel and oil and water. It really doesn't, you know, one is just a tighter, cleaner look, the other one is just to manage it basically. What is another thing? Oh, I can show you some styles that I've been doing over this past there it goes again, but I don't feel like stopping. I'm trying to get this video done, so please guys, I really hope it's not too annoying. But yeah, these are some styles that I did. Nothing too crazy. I do have a style in mind that I do want to try, and I'm gonna try to make a video about it, and hopefully, you know, it comes out really good, because I haven't really done, you know, my full-blown hair tutorials in a minute. Yeah, these are like, you know, these are mature locks. I'm really feeling it. I might color them again. I'm not sure. And in actuality, coloring my locks for me was a very, very huge step for me, a very big thing. I know to other people it's like okay, but I've never colored my hair before. I've only recently started experimenting with color, and that's why I only did the back, because I wanted some color, but I just don't think I was bold enough to do everything. So far I've really been loving it. I've really been enjoying having my locks. I feel like they're continuing to get even fuller and like have some volume, and I really feel like as my hair has grown longer and my locks have gotten more mature, I have grown more confident and I feel even more beautiful. Like every day I just love my locks so much, and I'm so in love with them, and I'm really happy with this decision. And yeah, they just look so amazing, and I get so many compliments on them, and that just makes me so happy that I did this myself. Like, I really did this myself. I really trusted the process. And for all those people that didn't believe that I would keep my... Just kidding. No one was hating on my locks. I've been talking for a really long time, but I'm just trying to make sure I got all the information out to you guys, just to keep you guys updated and, you know, make sure I'm not missing anything. But yes, this has been my 2-year lock update. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to continue to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will definitely be back with more videos for you guys. So... bye.